Historified as the gift from Bundelkhand's Maharaja Chhatrasal to the Peshwas, Sagar, the lake city was founded by Govindrao Pandit, trustee of Peshwa Bajirao in 1660 AD. Its strategic location made it the cantonment of East India Company. Progressively in 1946, Madhya Pradesh got its first university from Sagar, the Hari Singh Gaur University by Dr. Hari Singh Gaur. Since then, Sagar is emerging as a major town of Bundelkhand region and acknowledged for Bundelkhandi culture and iconic faces of Bollywood. The city of lakes grabs the status of being one of the 2 police training centers of MP and the headquarters of Forensic Science Lab. It is quite noticeable that the diversified aura of the city is a unified symbol of growth. Now, Sagar aspires to become a smart city. Samriddh Sagar, Sanskritik Sagar, Smart Sagar. Our ambitious Smart City initiative for Sagar begins with the aspiration Shubham Karoti Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhan Sampada. Vision for Smart Sagar. Based upon city assessment, citizen views and master plan of Sagar, a comprehensive area-based development proposal, Sampada, Sagar ABD Management Plan and Development Action, Redevelopment Plans, Project Karm, Katra Area Redevelopment and Makeover, Project Manam, Improving Administrative Efficiency and Developing Smart Knowledge Centers, Project Graham, Catering to Shelter Needs, Project Dhanam, Smart Business Districts, Project Arogyam, Smart Health and Fitness, Retrofitting Plans, Project Suvidha, Facilitating Physical Infrastructure, Project Samadhan, ICT-based Convenience and Solutions, Mark Shubham, TOD and Smart Mobility Solutions, Project Karm, Katra Area Redevelopment and Makeover. Under Project Karm, redevelopment of 4 potential land parcels, namely Naya Bazar and Sabulal Market, Inner Market areas and Katra Market will be made congestion-free and beautified through covered corridor with terrace gardens, organized vendor spaces, dedicated movement corridors, multi-level parking spaces, smart fire hydrant system, solar energy panels. Project Manam. Under Project Manam, the meeting point of the natural and historical heritage of Sagar, Lakha Banjara Lake and Sagar Fort will be transformed into a regional Sanskritik Kendra. The Sanskritik Kendra will give a boost to the cultural activities like traditional folk dance, plays and music of Bundelkhand along with Handicraft Bazaar. Hence, this redeveloped site will be the center of positive energy. Project Manam focuses on improving administrative efficiency and developing smart knowledge centers in Old Collectorate area by Integrated Office Complex. Project Dhanam. Under Project Dhanam, the existing bus stand site shall be transformed into lake-facing hospitality center with a state-of-the-art convention center, amusement park and star category hotel in order to promote Sagar as a business destination. Project Dhanam envisions a smart business district at the site of Old Jail. Project Graham. Conceived on the principle of livability, Project Graham will provide housing options to the citizens of Sagar. The new colony area in situ development of smart and green housing clusters for government employees and private sector will have approach to clubhouse, gym, amusement parks, health and exercise zones, etc. Project Arogyam will take care of the recreational needs of the citizens and will revive the nature and green areas of Sagar. integrated sports complex. The existing sports ground near municipal building and model school premises would be transformed into an active and ultra-modern sports complex for promoting Sagar to be on the sports map. The soul of Sagar, Lakha Banjara Lake, would be developed as regional tourist center. Environmental upgradation of the lake would be done through green buffer, edge restoration, desilting and by preserving its biodiversity. Project Suvidha. Under Pan City Initiative, 24/7 water supply with smart recycling and reusing system, solid waste management, smart energy and utilities management. Marg Shubham, way to prosperity. The TOD route would be designed with the state-of-the-art facilities and safety standards. Sampada also aims at improving the connectivity of Old Sagar, Katra area with the areas like Collectorate, Jail Road, etc.